the lemon one's good, but this is like get a little wet, Nika. Shut up. Put that in the video.
Oh, it's going in the video.
Oh, hello everyone. You caught me just loud. Anyway, today we are going to be cleaning the boat with Super Clean. Yeah, Super Clean. You can get it everywhere. Walmart. I even just saw it at Advanced Auto Parts today. Cars going by, you know, the cool stuff. But these are all the equipment you need. This is the regular cleaner, and they actually sent me both of these. That's why I'm trying them. Just saying it. They also sent me wheel cleaner. So put that, make it nice and shiny on the rims, you know. So you need those, obviously. Got a funky thing, sponge thing. I don't know, I bought it, it looked cool. Sponge mitt, towels, and a bucket. And the most important part. But we are going to clean this whole thing. Here, let's get a shot of this boat here. Look at this. Look how nasty and dirty it is.
Ew.
All the line, the grease line from all the nasty water. So this boat definitely needs a deep clean. And they say you can even use this all on the carpet and the seats and all that. So we're going to do everything. Let's see how it goes.
Cut.
So it says to wet the surface first, which is like kind of what you would do anyway if you were like cleaning a car or cleaning your boat. Spray it down, but look where I'm at, I can't really spray it down with anything. So I'm gonna wet it with this first and hopefully it'll work, and then spray the stuff and then clean it. Fingers crossed. So we're just gonna have to work in like a little area, right? Look at this. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Sorry. I really get into cleaning, even though I hate doing it. Okay, let's try it. Give me another one. And then we'll go. We'll start where it was really dirty. That was a lot. Oh, 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 dirty. Ooh. It's an interesting smell. I don't know exactly what it is. It's kind of like fruity, but kind of like cleanery. Yeah. I don't know. Look at that. I don't know if I should like wet down this towel too, but I don't know, man. It's getting pretty shiny. Bringing that purple right around there.
It's blue.
Purple.
It's blue.
Purple.
It's
Hopefully
blue.
it doesn't take off this. Look at that. Look at the difference in that. So far,
Shiny.
so good, huh? I knew you didn't do that. Go. We're just gonna.
Don't breathe it in.
Don't breathe it in.
It went straight for him and you totally breathed it in.
It's fine as long as you're not getting a bunch of it and you ain't swallowing it. Shut up, Tim. Tired of your crap. Look at that. God, it's so purple.
It's blue.
Hey,
I think it's shiny.
I think it's looking pretty good, huh?
Got rid of the scum line.
Yeah. That's what I was gonna say. Look at that. The scum line from the water's like right gone. out them arms for you, baby.
Super sexy.
The nose arm day. I don't know. I'm liking the smell now.
Oh my god, it matches the boat.
Yeah, because the boat is purple. Said it once, said it a million times. Oh, come on!
I was gonna do that.
Oh my goodness gracious.
See, so okay, hurry up and come with the rinsing.
Hurry up and come with the rinsing. There.
Good job.
Beautiful.
So you're a professional or something.
Uh-huh.
See, let's look at this. Look at this film.
Look at this nasty.
Yeah.
Son of a biscuit. Look at that nasty windscreen.
I think I got it earlier, but my shadow's in the way. Yeah, the back where I'm usually at is pretty good.
Okay, I don't think we need this whole thing. That's what I'm saying. Alright. And then of course. What's up, Tim?
You said up there?
Yeah. Okay, well. Guess while you're doing that, I can do the other shit.
I don't know how to get the soap out of this. I use too much. Not that one, just this panel.
Just the brush, and then those are dry, or those gray ones I haven't even taken out of the box. We just dry it.
Maybe.
The brush is pretty hard.
I did brush it. That's the whole point.
Oh.
See, feel it? I don't
Yeah.
know how to get it out. So I already scrubbed it.
Yeah.
I sprayed it too many times because that one was a bigger piece, so I sprayed it like 3 times. But this one I should have only sprayed once.
Yeah. Just for this one.
Definitely make a note that on carpet you only need a very little amount.
Yeah. Copyright. So, what do you think about Super Clean?
2 thumbs up.
Oh God. It actually worked pretty good. Other than my kind of little spots that I was just lazy on. That's user error. But, and also all the scratches that I've already put on the boat in not even a year of owning it. Just because I'm rough on stuff. But, yeah, it looks really good. Got rid of that scum line all over it. Brought back that nice shiny bluish purple. And also, look how good it did the carpet. Still some like sticks in there that I just didn't vacuum up. But no, that carpet looks so much better. There's like a huge stain up in here and everything. I don't even know what it was, but it was a big stain and it got rid of that. It's actually really good stuff. It works for everything. I didn't show cleaning the rims and tires, but that stuff, it's like it's a foam stuff, and like just a couple sprays, wipe it down. Super nice, super easy. Everything about it is super easy, and it's worth it. I think we're gonna use it around the house and all that stuff. I mean, you can pretty much use it for everything, so I think we're just gonna use it around the house and all that. I'll clean it with the boat again, or clean the boat with it again. That makes more sense. At some point, not right now, but because my dad. Alright, well, I think that's it. So, I'll see you guys on the next one. Oh, I forgot something. Get you some Super Clean and subscribe to this channel for awesome fishing videos.